Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to change drawing template. So we have these 3D objects and I will go into drawing sheet. You can click here and click general and I will change the preview into top view. You also can use projected to project the object. Now, if you want to change drawing templates, you can go to format menu in sheet setup, and there are a lot of options that you can use. Like I will change it to this landscape, you can click, and the drawing template will be automatically changed. You also can change for scale in here, like 10:1, or you can set into 4:1, or another template you can click format, and I will use this template. The next we can scale again, like into 10:1. Okay, that's it for a basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to change drawing template. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.